Good morning, students. I hope you go through the video which I have sent you. But some more points I have to add. So I'm going to give you some more explanation about homophones and homographs. So once again, look here. Homophones mean the words which have same sound but different spelling and different meanings. All these things are given in the previous video which I have sent to you, but some are the points I want to add there, so you have to listen it carefully. So the first pair I have taken here, sun and sun. S-U-N sun, S-O-N sun. See here, spelling is different. S-U-N sun, S-O-N sun. And meaning is also different. So every time whenever you have homophones and homographs in the exams, you don't have to write their meanings. You have to convey the meanings through the sentences. So you should be able to make the sentences according to their meanings. So here, sun rises in the east. So from the sentence you come to know that what is S-U-N sun. Next is S-O-N son. Mr. Sharma has a son who is brilliant. Now this one sentence, and the next sentence, Mr. Sharma has two sons. So some students are going to do the mistakes. They can write this sentence also and this sentence also. But from these two sentences, this one is correct and this one is wrong. Because homophones. Now phones means sound and homo means same. So here same sounds. But here S-U-N sun and S-O-N sun we want. But in the next second sentence here S-O-N-S sons, not sun. So S-O-N-S sons cannot be the homophone of S-U-N sun. So you can get wrong in the second sentence. Or if you have written Mr. Sharma has two sons, then also your sentence is wrong because grammatically your sentence is wrong. When you are writing two, you have to write sons. So that time your sentence is going to be wrong. So whenever you are writing the sentence, it should be grammatical correct also. Next, we can take the next example. M-A-I-D maid and M-A-D-E maid. So the sentence is, my neighbor has a hardworking maid. So you come to know maid means a woman who does the household works in another's home. That is the maid. So my neighbor has a hardworking maid. I made a cake yesterday. So here also you can get M-A-D-E made is the past tense of M-A-K-E make. So whenever you are writing the sentence with made, your sentence should be there in the past tense. As I have taken here, I made a cake yesterday. The word yesterday shows the past word. The second example we are going to take peace. P-I-E-C-E peace and P-E-A-C-E peace. These both are the homophones. The first example, give me a piece of red paper. Okay, give me a piece of red paper. A piece means one small part. There are a lot of piece of paper on the table. Now this is the second sentence. Let's move toward the P-E-A-C-E peace. There is a need of peace in the country. Now P-E-A-C-E peace, you know that we should establish peace in our world. There should be peace in the classroom. So peace. Now we move previous sentence. In the first sentence, give me a piece of red paper. P-I-E-C-E piece. There are lot of piece of paper on the table. Is the sentence grammatically correct? There are lot of pieces. We need here pieces. Lot of means plural form. So here we need lot of pieces. If we have add pieces, lot of pieces of paper on the table, then it is not the homophone of PEACE, piece, because we need PEACE, piece. Here PIECES, pieces. So pieces and piece are not the homophone. So whenever you are going to write the homophone of PEACE, piece, only you have to use singular PIECE, piece. So you can write here, there is a piece of paper on the table. So if you have written lot of, then you have to add there plural, and with plural the sentence is wrong. So singular and plural form you have to keep in mind, and then you have to make the sentences. Next we are going to move towards homograph. Homograph, same spelling, same sound, different meanings. The first example we have taken here, CELL, cell. So CELL, cell, the first sentence, from the first sentence we come to know the meaning. The criminal has kept in a secret cell. Secret cell means here cell is the small part of the prison, of the jail. Okay, the next, I need a cell for my remote. Now I think you come to know about which cell I am talking. The cells which we use in the remote, in the toy cars and watch, those cells. I need a cell for my remote. Second sentence, I need 2 cells for my remote. Which sentence is correct? The first sentence is correct and the second sentence is wrong, because we want only CELL, cell, not CELLS, cells. So when we have taken 2, it becomes plural and we have to add S, and the sentence is wrong. So pay attention towards it. Then one more meaning we have of cell. For our body, each and every cell is important. In our body also different types of cells are there. So we are talking about that cell. The sentence is, for our body, each and every cell is important. With the help of this meaning, we have written another sentence. You have to check whether it is correct or not. Our body is made up of different types of cells. Now the meanings are same. We have taken the same meaning of cell, but what about the spelling and what about the sound pronunciation? Cells. When we have taken different types, then it becomes plural. Different types of cells. So this sentence is wrong. Actually grammatically the sentence is correct, meaning sentence is correct, but when we are using these sentences for homograph, the sound should be same, CELL, cell, and CELL. If you have asked the word CELLS, cells, then you can write the plural form of all the cells. But if you have asked only CELL, cell, then you have to make the words of only sentences of CELL, cell only. One more example I have taken. Pen and pen, 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 and PAIN, pen. My father gifted me an imported pen. Okay. Second one, I have 2 red pens. Now which sentence is correct? The first one is, second one is wrong, because again PENS, pens, we need only PEN, pen. Next meaning of PAIN, pen. She had a severe pain in her stomach. You are familiar with this PAIN, pen also, okay? Because while writing with the pen, you have lot of pen in your fingers. She had a severe pain in her stomach. Her stomach is paining. The meaning are same. PAIN, 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 ing, pain, meaning are same, but we need only PAIN, pain, and here PAINING we have written. So this sentence is wrong for the use of homophone. Okay, so whatever word you have given, that word, that spelling and that sound only you have taken while making the sentences. So I have given you, I'm going to give you the worksheet, depends on which is based on homophones and homographs. So when you are going to make the sentences, be careful about that. Okay, thank you.